Another nice feature that I really like on the MacBooks is the ability to mark up documents. If you have a document that you're wanting to quickly edit to send away, a PDF document. Usually PDF documents are not editable. They're stagnant copies. But you can easily, if you're sent a PDF document that maybe you just need to sign, you can create your signature in this program, and you're able to sign it digitally and send it right back to them. So for example, here's the professional development request form. You notice these blue things, you can actually type in there, but what it does is it doesn't really, sometimes that doesn't save very well or print very well. You can hit this little button right here to mark up the document. Now you do have the freehand ability to write these, to do this, but on a Mac, that's going to be very hard to do on a trackpad. You can do this same thing on an iPad and mark up a document, and then you'll be able to write with your finger in all these blanks. If that's one way you want to do it, that would be awesome too. So you can actually freehand, right now I'm writing in red, but if I click on that right there, then it allows me to write all over the document. It also allows me to type. So if I click on this, it puts text right here. I just clicked it twice, but then you can move different text boxes and type in, you can type in there, and then move them wherever you want to. What I use it most of the time for is simply straight down here at the bottom, no, actually right here, signature for employees. So right here, I've already created the signature. You would do that right there. Granted, it's very hard to do on a Mac. I would suggest creating it on the iPad. But if I just simply click on one of my signatures here, and it puts it right in the middle of the page, but then you just drag it over to where you need it. And you can resize it to make it look right. And so then there it is. You can type in your date. You can also throw in boxes. I just hit the text button. Didn't mean to do that. Or arrows. So if I wanted to throw in an arrow, except for the fact that my arrow didn't have a color. So you can make that arrow point to whatever. You can bend it by grabbing this green button in the middle. So that was the arrow. You can also do stars, text boxes. You can even magnify things. So you can even, if you wanted to call someone's attention to something, you can even bring it over here, and you can change the magnification, change the size of the circle. You can magnify things. So it's really nice for marking up a document really quickly. And then this little button right over here is your share button. So then you can easily airdrop it to somebody close by, mail it using your native mail app, or send it in messages as a text message, as a text message attachment. I typically send mail, but it's a very handy way to quickly mark up a document.